What the hell?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. 2 metres, son. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Sorry about that, Sammy. I know things have relaxed a little bit, but you know, I'm sticking on the side of safe.
Safety first.
Safety first, Kura. This is Kura.
Kura, Sammy.
It's 7 a.m. What are you?
Oh, whoa, we're going to be late. We're going to be late, Kura.
Yeah. We just like to do a bit of gentle Brazilian jiu-jitsu, you know, just right after our 25k run.
I mean, we did start earlier this morning, though, didn't we?
We did, you're right. So we can probably forgive ourselves.
I forgive you.
I forgive you.
Yeah.
Really? What time did you start?
3:30. Yeah, right after yoga with
Adrian.
3 a.m.
I didn't know you did yoga.
Oh, yeah. I mean, just during lockdown, we started. Yeah, it's only 5 poses.
Yeah, you know, you just got your standard sort of splits up against a wall, and then you do the old one-armed compass, and then you've got your old headstands with the scorpion legs, your handstands with your lotus legs.
Killer praying mantis.
That sounds nice.
It is.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, it's a whole
I
new
feel
world.
rejuvenated, reborn.
Ważne robienie no.
Spasiba, mój drug.
You're welcome. Russian, yeah. So nice, isn't it? Having all this time to learn.
Yeah, we've done Arabic.
Chinese Mandarin. I mean, you learned Danish.
I did, yeah, farvel.
Oh, show off. Yeah. Oh. You're right there, Koo.
Oh, look, it's embarrassing. Look, it's just a bit of writer's cramp.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Sam, you might want to read the novel that Kura wrote during lockdown.
Which one?
True, she wrote a trilogy.
I did. Guilty.
Guilty.
Well, let's not forget about you, though.
It's nothing.
Come on. Oh, look. She only wrote a collection of essays.
What?
Yeah. I mean, I just want to utilise all this time, you know?
That sounds nice.
That reminds me, have you actually heard back?
Oh.
She sent them off to Underachiever.
Oh, speaking of. Oh, that is so sweet.
Oh, what she said.
3 thumbs up and a love heart emoji. Oh, so cute.
She's so
sweet.
What a babe.
What a babe.
What a babe.
Anyway, God, enough about us, Sammy. Jeez.
Yeah, go. Sorry.
Yeah. What have you been up to during lockdown? Heaps, I bet.
Oh, you know, not much really. I've been learning the ukulele.
I told you he was funny.
He's funny.
He was very funny, Sam. Stop it.
Yep.
Ukulele, that's great.
Good on you.
Yeah, I mean,
it's cute.
I didn't even think of ukulele. I mean, I learnt the harp. But,
Yeah, I mean, I mastered the bagpipes, but I just...
but that's so great, Sam. Action Sammy, all the way.
Good on you.
Gosh, we better go.
We better go, yeah.
Better start cooking the tarakan.
Yeah, and I am sort of midway through my preparation of getting a traditional tamoko, so you better go.
Favel?
Bye-bye.
Okay. I'll see you. It's harder than it looks.